11. Dirty work. Get your hands dirty as much as possible. My best entrepreneurial moments happened when I was tasked something I had no business doing. In creating my first app, So Quotable, I spent the first few years getting lots of support from a tech-savvy friend. One random day before I was going to launch, the person disappeared without a trace, and with the code. I was pissed. So, while taking care of my newborn baby, I learned to program for Apple devices, design the user interface, and release the app within 4 months. It came out in time for my first TED Talk. As my founders and me launched my second app, Cuddler, circumstances shifted my role from the silent media and cultural strategist to the public face of the app. By the time we were acquired a year later, I was doing the majority of the interviews. I'm proud of how I rose to those occasions, but I share this because I am 100% absolutely positive that I would have not done any of this unless it was necessary. Who in their right mind would get up before dawn to program with one hand while rocking their infant with the other? No one. That's who. When I talked to my best friend, author A. Raymond Johnson, about the So Quotable experience, I compared it to being a lounge singer that suddenly became a singer-songwriter. I always had a vision, but now I could see the concept, map it out, and release it my damn self. I was a one-man band. I was free. My experience with Cuddler essentially doubled down on that feeling, as I led our tiny company through intense media blitzes, demanding customers, and an eventual acquisition. They were journeys that few entrepreneurs were able to experience from inside the arena. You may not be able to afford a capable programmer, a strong PR team, or a great logo artist. It may be late nights of you proverbially mopping the floor, taking out the trash, and doing the dishes by hand. When you eventually are able to hire others to help, you will have an unmistakably keen vision for how to run your business efficiently and wisely. It is an insight the suckers who simply hired out to do the dirty work will never, ever have.